you're in the business of picking winners in different parts of this sort of clean tech firmament. Where are you placing your trust? Which areas do you personally see are ones where you go, I'm going to invest in wind, but I'm not going to invest in wave, I'm going to invest in hydrogen, but in batteries or whatever?
The thing I'd like to see is, I love to see someone with a great vision. They come and they present their solution to the world and all their dynamism. But I have to see cash today. I have to see revenue today. It's always, we talk about this tomorrow and today business model. So they have a vision of how they're going to do something. But how are they going to make cash now? How are they going to do stuff in the short term? And there's a lot of people out there with wacky ideas, which will be brilliant, potentially, one day. I can't back those. I need to find the ones that are brilliant, have a great piece they can go for, and it's actually practical. So I think that's the very first point. I was thinking about the same question. There's a bunch of things we look at. We always talk about management teams, and one of the really difficult things about clean tech is we haven't had many successes yet. So you can't go and respray an existing management team into a new entity. You can't say, I want someone who's done it before. So you have to make some pretty difficult judgments to see, can this person translate their skill from biotech or data into this clean tech position. So the management resource is very limited. We also get people to stop worrying about the idea, to be honest with it. Protect the damn thing, but the idea itself is relatively easy to come by or to develop once you've got the concept. The execution skills, the management, the ability to show early revenue, those are much more interesting to me in a space. And then we play with different segments, different investors, different entrepreneurs that work in different segments. I have a great interest in applying technology that we've already sorted out. So take the best of biotechnology, apply it into a clean tech idea. Take the best of data analysis, apply it into clean tech or ag bio. And a lot of investors now will not take technology risk. So it's a daft thing in the circumstance, the current market, is it's almost impossible to take technology risk and get backing. Don't try to stop the tide. Don't try to claim that the solution you've got is going to solve the whole problem. The energy efficiency thing that Henri is talking about is really interesting. There's a new wide-bodied jet that has come out recently to great aplomb, saying we've got an incredible improvement in efficiency from this plane. And so the result is everyone's saying that's fantastic. You know how inefficient air travel is and how much fuel it uses. What did the guys who fly these things say? They also said it was fantastic. They said it was fantastic because now they can fly to routes that weren't economic before. So we'll use more fuel. So you've got to be careful about some of these games. You know, it's not easy to say a bit of efficiency and it makes it work. So from an investor's point of view, stop worrying about the idea, think about the management teams, but don't expect to have that right. But it's this tomorrow and today thing which really...
So more cash, less vision.
More cash, less vision.